Well, guys, sorry about the end of that episode, last episode. I didn't end it off very well because I wasn't looking at the time and then it ended. And we have a problem. I went out to get a supply drop. I brung my Dilophosaur and Petrodon and I forgot his name again. But all three of those, and there was an Alpha Rex that popped out of nowhere and a whole bunch of compies. So, yep. And then I got raided, but the dude was just sleeping right there. I don't know what he was doing, but he took a lot of my stuff. Yeah. So what we're gonna be doing now is just like building up our stuff. That sucks right there. So I guess we're just gonna be still dark. Upgrading the wood, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna get some ton of thatch. Man, that really sucks. But I will be back when I have all the thatch and wood ready. So I'll see y'all guys. Alright guys, we're back. And I got not only the thatch and the wood, but I went ahead and done all this. All I really need now is just the wall, the door, wall, and then the door. Because I didn't think I was going to need a door because there's not really that much people here. But can't trust anybody now. So. Door frame, door. Okay, guys, here we go. Door frame, door. Let's get up our food. No. Oh crap, I just made another one. Stupid bag. Can I not destroy it? Do I have to take everything? Oh, I do. Alright guys, what do you think? We'll put an extra door just in case someone tries to raid us. But for now, how far is it to get narc arrows? Narc arrows are in 21? Man, this is gonna be quite some fun. We still got XPs though. That's one thing, we still got XPs. So, we need slingshot. Hide and wood. I had all my hide on me, didn't I? Sorry about his lag. Don't know what's going on here. That dodo's too high of level. Oh, they're mate boosted. Huh. I'm dead. Alright guys, I'll be back when I wake up. Alright, I'm back up now. Spear, that's a whole lot better. Oh, my bad about this lag, guys. I probably said that already, but it's just some bad lag for some reason. Okay. Wood. Man, I had so much stuff on me, too. There's a prasour. I need a bola. That's what I was missing. I'm probably not gonna need that much, but nah. Now what level is he? I honestly don't even care. I just need 110. Really? Sorry, buddy. Oh, I didn't kill him. Yes. Crap. I should have thought about that. All I have is those right now. You know, it don't matter if it's not a perfect tame. I'll get another one. Once I get him, I'll put the saddle on him and then get a whole bunch of stuff. Where's those mejo berries I grabbed? Oh, there they are. Still might as well get fiber. You know, I got tons of it. Timing pretty fast. I would really like to know what a dodo eats. What do you eat, dodos? Do you eat stem berries? Can I give you a stem berry? Oh, you do eat stem berries. Okay. Can't tame me a pack of dodos. Got any stem berries on you? No. I think I got some though. From our previous Perry. Stems. Sorry if y'all don't get to see them waking up, but we only have 3 minutes to the episode left. That might be alright. But then I need to let my dogs out, and I'll be making a whole ton more of YouTube videos today. I plan on making it up to episode 10 maybe, just today. That's what I've been planning, but I don't really know. I don't really use stem berries, so I might as well. Eat those. Perry should be getting done, so you should probably be able to see him. Yeah, him. Pero. Should name him Pero, don't you think? Scarred you up there, buddy. I'm sorry. I wonder what would happen if I boloed a megalodon. Probably nothing. I want to get a megalodon. And look how pretty that one is. Uh-oh. It's coming to try to eat me. Yeah, they are too. Can tame him. Oh no, he's dead.